Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and this tutorial is about the mirror tool. And in this tutorial we will learn importance of order of the features while using the mirror tool. When using the mirror tool in a FreeCAD, then selections of features is very important. So we will see in this tutorial. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on coffee.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. And this is the FreeCAD 1.0 RC2 release, and if you have not switched to the FreeCAD version 1.0, then switch it, because it has so many good features for sketching, part modeling, etc. So if you are using the Windows, then I have already made a videos on my channel. When the FreeCAD 1.0 is out, you can check this video how you can run FreeCAD 1.0 on Windows. And if you are using the Mac Linux, then search for the suitable tutorial on YouTube how you can run it. So let's start our tutorial. So here in this part, if you see here, this is the a simple box, and here are the two flat faces with a hole, and we want to mirror these two on this other side on this face. So let's do it. So first let's select this feature and this feature, and click on the mirror, and here I will select reference and select the mirror tool and click on OK. So here first you have to activate the body here, which I have already activated. So now if you see here, we have did the mirror without any error. The problem is that this hole is not transformed here. The reason behind it, most people do, and they get stuck in that I have did the mirror, but why these features or some other features not got mirror. So there is a problem in your selections. So if we edit our mirror features, so we can see that we have first selected the pocket and then selected the pad, which means that this pad is got overlapped on this pocket, which means that hole is here already, but we have selected the wrong order. So there are the two ways to fix it. First is that when selecting the features, then select the features from top to down. Here what I have did is I selected this pocket, and by pressing the control key, and then I selected the pad. That's why it happens when I did the mirror. And here, so this is the wrong order of the selections. Now we will do the right order of the selections. So first we will select this pad and then this pocket, and click on the mirror and select the reference and select the mirror. Now it is a perfect. Now this is the one way to fix it, but let's see our previous example where we have selected this pocket first and then this pad, and click on the mirror and select a reference and click on OK. So now without deleting this mirror we can fix it. What we have to do is go to the edit mirror, and here we will select and drop down. So we have a reorder here. We have selected the pad and place above the pocket, which means that here we are adding the material, and with the pocket we are removing the material, and now our mirror is got fixed. So this is the very small tips where most of the beginner get confused. They have did the mirror, but feature is not reflecting. So this is the very small tips and importance of order of selections while using the mirror tool in FreeCAD. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and you will apply this trick to your modeling of a part. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.